Hello students, let's begin a new chapter, that is haloalkanes and haloarenes. So let's see the introductory part. What are haloalkanes and haloarenes? So haloalkanes are otherwise called alkyl halides. Alkyl halides, we can represent this as Rx. So the general representation is Rx, and haloarenes are otherwise called aryl halides, and the general representation is ARX. So in Rx we know that R is any of the alkyl group and X can be halogen. In aryl halide, ARX means AR is any of the aryl group and X means any of the halogen atom. And this X can be fluorine, chlorine, bromine or iodine. So any of these halogen atoms can be attached. In haloalkanes, we can say that these are actually formed by the replacement of one or more hydrogen atoms in aliphatic hydrocarbon by halogen atoms. Actually, these haloalkanes are formed by the replacement of one or more hydrogen atoms in aliphatic hydrocarbon by a halogen atom. So, for example, if methane is an example of an aliphatic hydrocarbon, so methane is an example of aliphatic hydrocarbon, methane is an example of an alkane. So this is an aliphatic hydrocarbon. If one hydrogen atom is replaced by a halogen atom, say chlorine, we will get a haloalkane. So haloalkanes are formed by the replacement of hydrogen atom by a halogen atom. So in this case, we can say that this is an example of a haloalkane, and here the halogen is chlorine and the parent alkane is methane. So here I have replaced one hydrogen atom. We can replace one or more hydrogen atoms in order to get haloalkanes. So here one hydrogen is replaced by a halogen atom. We will get a haloalkane. So we can write the common name. Actually, the common name is in this format, that is alkyl halide. Here the alkyl group is methyl group. We know that CH3 is methyl group. So the common name is methyl chloride. So methyl chloride is the common name of this compound. So the common name is methyl chloride, or it is in this format, that is alkyl halide. So methyl chloride is the common name of CH3Cl. And actually haloalkane, that format is for the IUPAC naming. So the IUPAC name of this compound is like this, that is haloalkane. Here the halogen is chlorine, so we can start with chloro, and alkane, which is the parent alkane here. Here there is only one carbon atom and the parent alkane is methane, and we can name it as chloromethane. So chloromethane is the IUPAC name and methyl chloride is the common name. So CH3Cl is an example of a haloalkane. So here the halogen atom is chlorine. So any of these halogen atom can be attached here. In that case also we will get a haloalkane. And one more thing is that one or more hydrogen atoms can be replaced by halogen atoms. In that case also we will get different types of haloalkanes. So this is the introduction of haloalkanes. In the case of haloarenes, we can say that this is also formed by the replacement of one or more hydrogen atoms in aromatic hydrocarbon. So it is from aromatic hydrocarbon. So aryl halides are actually formed by the replacement of one or more hydrogen atoms in aromatic hydrocarbon by halogen atoms. So there should be an aromatic part, that is why it is called aryl halides. And the simplest example of aromatic hydrocarbon is benzene. We know that benzene is an aromatic hydrocarbon. If one hydrogen atom is replaced by a halogen atom, we will get an aryl halide or haloarine. So in this case, one hydrogen atom is replaced. We know that C6H6 is the formula of benzene, and there are hydrogen atoms attached to carbon atoms, and actually this is the structure of benzene. So if one hydrogen atom is replaced by a halogen atom, if it is chlorine, here also we will get a haloarine. So we are writing like this. We are not writing the whole structure of benzene. We can write like this, and if it is chlorine, this will be the structure. So if chlorine is attached to benzene ring, or we can say one of the hydrogen atoms is replaced by a chlorine atom, we will get a haloarine. So in this case, we can name it as chlorobenzene. So actually for haloarenes or aryl halides, the naming in the common system or in the IUPAC system in this way, that is haloarine. So haloarine, that is the format for the common system or the IUPAC system. For both names are same, that is chlorobenzene, that is a common name and also the IUPAC name. So chlorobenzene is the name of this haloarine. So if chlorine is attached or chlorine is substituted in place of hydrogen atom, we will get a haloarine. So benzene is an example of an aromatic hydrocarbon, and one hydrogen atom, here one hydrogen atom is replaced. We can replace more than one hydrogen atom. In that case also we will get haloarenes. Here I have replaced one hydrogen atom with a halogen chlorine. Here I will get a haloarine and the name is chlorobenzene. So this is the IUPAC name. So IUPAC name and common name both are in the same format like haloarine. So chlorobenzene, that is the IUPAC name of that haloarine. So this is the general introduction of haloalkanes and haloarenes.